Hey everyone, as you may or may not already know, we at Cardo have updated our entire product line to now be able to have a true native Bluetooth intercom pairing with any Sena headset running on Bluetooth 4.1 or higher. So let's get right to it. I'll show you how to pair these two headsets for intercom. This is the Cardo Spirit HD and the Sena 50R. Let's go ahead and turn on the Spirit HD. And we'll turn on the 50R. On the Cardo side, we'll put it into its normal Bluetooth intercom pairing mode.
Rider A pairing.
And on the Sena, we'll use its native Bluetooth intercom pairing mode. Just press and hold the center button.
Rider A ready.
And the two are already connected. We can see the double blue flashing lights. These units are talking to each other. Now we can close the intercom connection on the Cardo side. Intercom is now closed. We can open it from the Sena side if we'd like to. Intercom is open. Close it from the Sena side. Intercom is closed. And of course, open it from the Cardo side if we wanted to. Simple as that. These two units are paired with each other and ready to go. We know that that's been one of the most requested features. And to be able to pick any Cardo that you want, pair it up with your buddy, even though they chose that other unit, it's a big deal. It's your feedback that's the source for these advancements, so keep the feedback coming. We're not done yet, and know that we're committed to making that connection process as smooth as possible. Thanks for watching. See you next time.